let's have a look at the objective of solvency. So firstly, what is solvency? Solvency relates to a business's financial stability and their ability to pay their debts in the longer term. It's all about the mix of finance that they use to fund their assets and their business operations and the risk that that generates for the business. So why is solvency important? Solvency is important because it determines whether the business can continue to operate in the longer term. Consider the following. If a business has high levels of debt, that generates risk for the business because it generates obligations that the business must meet. Now, if debt levels are too high and the business is unable to meet these obligations to pay their debts, then creditors may take proceedings to have the business declared insolvent and wound up. So the factors influencing or impacting solvency. The biggest and most significant influence on a business's long-term financial stability, risk, and therefore solvency is their level of debt. As said before, high levels of debt can create solvency issues for the business. This is because they represent obligations that the business must meet. Not only do they have to meet those obligations, and that has cash flow implications for the business, but it also exposes the business to additional risk if interest rates were to change, and that would increase their outflows and financial obligations. Now, whilst this isn't a problem at the moment, given the historic low interest rates, remember, most businesses will be borrowing to expand when economic conditions are favourable. And during these times, there is a higher risk that interest rates will be increased by the RBA in order to control inflation. So how is solvency of the business measured? It's measured by the debt to equity ratio. Sometimes it's also known as the gearing ratio. This ratio highlights the mix of finance used to fund the business, so how much debt they have compared to their equity. So really, when we're talking about solvency, we're considering whether a business is highly or lowly geared. A business that relies on debt has more debt finance than equity finance, so they have more liabilities than owner's equity in their balance sheet, and so they're regarded as highly geared. On the other hand, a business that relies on equity will have more equity than debt, so they're going to have higher owner's equity than they do liabilities in the balance sheet, and we're going to refer to them as being lowly geared. So in summary, solvency relates to the financial stability of the business and their ability to pay their debts in the longer term. It's really a measure of financial risk. It's measured using the debt to equity ratio, and the higher the level of debt, the greater financial risk, because that creates obligations that the business must meet, along with exposure to interest rate changes, which could increase those obligations. A high ratio means the business relies on debt finance and is therefore highly geared, whereas a low ratio means the business relies on equity finance and is therefore lowly geared.